In this tutorial, we'll explore the creative process behind crafting 6 unique grid logo designs using Adobe Illustrator. By leveraging the precision and structure of grids, we'll guide you step by step in transforming basic shapes into professional and visually compelling logos. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your design skills or a seasoned designer seeking fresh inspiration, this tutorial will equip you with techniques to create logos that stand out with clarity and aesthetic balance. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of grid-based design. Welcome to HLGRAPHICS. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the fascinating world of grid-based logo design using Adobe Illustrator. Let's embark on this creative journey together and explore the endless possibilities that await us. Let's go! I'll guide you through the creation of 6 unique grid logos, transforming simple shapes into professional, eye-catching designs. With the help of Line Segment Tool, take 2 vertical lines. Group them. Go to Object and click on Blend Tool. Here Make option will be Open it. Again, open Blend Tool, click on Blending option. Specified steps 10 selected. Vertical lines will appear in front of you. Align the lines. Now expand them. Go to Edit, click on Copy. Go to Edit again, click on Paste in front. Double-click on the Rotate tool and a box will open in front of you where you select 90 degrees. So that the vertical lines will change to horizontal lines and a grid will be created in front of you. Now with the help of the Ellipse tool, we will take a circle that will extend to the edges of the lines. Align the circle and the lines. Then we will take a copy of it that will be extended to the inside line. In the same way we will take 2 more copies of it, thus we will have 4 circles, we'll take. Do this very carefully. Press Ctrl Y, this way you will see any errors in the lines. All the lines should be perfectly connected to each other. If they are not, then you can connect them and make your grid perfectly correct. Now let's group all the lines and circles, then we'll reduce its size. Because we have to make 6 logos on the same board, I will make different types of logos and show them through the same lines. So let's start creating our very first logo. Select all the lines with the Selection tool, then click on the Shape Builder tool. And also click on Fill, and start creating the logo. Make sure to fill all the lines correctly, no spaces left. Zoom in, enlarge the size and fill well to create your perfect logo. Look at how beautiful the logo has come out. Now we will create our other logos in the same way. All processes will be the same in all logos. To create the second logo, we will click on the Shape Builder tool and select the color black and create the logo in the same way we created the first logo. I have uploaded a lot of videos on my channel HLGRAPHICS in which there are many videos of logos. You must go and watch them. Now let's move on to our third logo and create them with the exact same process as we created our first 2 logo. Here also we will use Shape Builder tool and we have taken only 1 color and are making logo in single color only. Note that I have horizontal lines and vertical lines and the same for circles that I am working with. Now we are going to create the 4th logo. Look at this logo. It will be created very easily and it will look very beautiful. You can also change the alphabets here and create something else. A grid logo design is a methodical approach to creating logos, utilizing a grid system to ensure precision, balance, and consistency. This technique involves aligning design elements to a grid, aiding in the construction of symmetrical and harmonious logos. The grid provides a structured framework, making it easier to scale and adapt the logo across various mediums. The 5th logo is very easy. There are 2 alphabets and you can create this logo very easily. You must try it. A grid logo looks very difficult to visualize, but if you practice it will become easier. Adobe Illustrator is an industry-standard vector graphics editor used extensively for creating grid logo designs. It offers powerful tools like the pen tool, shape builder tool, and the ability to create custom grids, making it ideal for detailed and scalable logo design. Illustrator's precision and flexibility allow designers to meticulously craft logos that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Now I am making the sixth and last logo. It is also very easy. Now see how easy it is. You must try it and practice it. If you still have any questions, please ask me. I will be very happy to answer you. You will find many grid logo designs on Google. You will also find many grid logo designs on my channel, which I am constantly making. Please go and watch my video and like and share with your friends, and if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel. Who is not aware of the importance of logo design? If you know how to design a logo, then you can earn very well. There is a lot of money and you can get a very good lifestyle through it. Logo design can be highly lucrative, so it's worthwhile to learn and practice extensively. There are many websites that do logo design and pay very well, like 99designs.com, Upwork and Fiverr and DesignCrowd and freelancer.com, and many more places where you can earn money by designing logos. You see that I have created 6 grid logos in front of you. Which one do you like the best? Let me know. I will wait for your reply. You should also practice with one of these logo, and if you do a good job, you should definitely send me his picture. I will be very happy. To create the best logo design presentation, we have to use Photoshop, where there are many mockups available for free. Here we can use 3D logo mockups that make our design look great and stand out and get great color combinations. We also get a lot of t-shirt designs in Photoshop. We can also use t-shirt mockups for our logo presentation. You can see how beautiful this shirt looks with our logo. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you watch my videos, you can find many mockup links and free font links. Please watch them and get benefit.